Relationship advice for men. How to win a woman's heart. In this video, we'll be giving you some relationship advice on what you can do to win a woman's heart. Here are 10 tips to get you started. 1. Be confident. Confidence is key when it comes to attracting a woman. Show her that you are comfortable in your own skin and that you believe in yourself. This will make her feel more comfortable around you and more likely to open up to you. 2. Be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. Women appreciate authenticity, and trying to be someone else will only make her think you're hiding something. Be true to who you are and let your personality shine through. 3. Listen to her. Listening is crucial in any relationship. Show her that you care about what she has to say and that you value her opinions. This will help build trust and make her feel more connected to you. 4. Be romantic. Women love romance, so be sure to show her your romantic side. This doesn't mean you have to go all out and spend a lot of money on fancy gifts, but small gestures like leaving her a note or surprising her with her favorite snack can go a long way. 5. Show interest in her life. Ask her about her day, listen to her stories, and show genuine interest in what she has to say. Women appreciate men who care about their lives and who are interested in their passions and hobbies. 6. Be supportive. Be there for her when she needs someone to talk to and support her in her goals and dreams. Show her that you believe in her and that you're willing to help her achieve her dreams. 7. Be respectful. Treat her with kindness and respect, and never take her for granted. Women want to be with someone who values their feelings and opinions. 8. Be trustworthy. Trust is a crucial component of any relationship. Show her that you're trustworthy by keeping your word and being reliable. Don't make promises you can't keep, and always be honest with her. 9. Show affection. Physical touch and affection are important in any relationship. Show her that you care by holding her hand, giving her a hug, or cuddling on the couch. These small acts of affection can help strengthen your bond. 10. Have fun together. Lastly, have fun together. Find activities that you both enjoy and make time for each other. Laugh together, try new things, and make memories that will last a lifetime. So, there you have it, 10 tips on what you can do to win a woman's heart. Remember to be confident, be yourself, listen to her, be romantic, show interest in her life, be supportive, be respectful, be trustworthy, show affection, and have fun together. Good luck, gentlemen.